Hello, my name's Evan from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around the stunning approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line 35 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Daytona grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording, the car has done 49,031 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm dynamic design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, along with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S and Boss logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, choose your preferred driving mode, such as comfortable for those longer journeys, or dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volumes of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you all those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio station to sing along to. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set their preferred temperature, regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected on the go with 2 USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, with the electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.